Some children in Kansas City get to express their artsy side. It's all to help them overcome certain disabilities. Today, the local nonprofit Giving Solo donated money to the Rehabilitation Institute of Kansas City. The money will fund 16 art therapy classes this summer. Children ages 2 to 18 will take part in the 4-week-long summer therapy program. Many of the children have experienced catastrophic illness or injury, and they're working to overcome great physical and neurological challenge so they can return to school and everyday kid activities.
It's just one more tool because these kids, like I said, a lot of times they aren't even allowed to, they're not even maybe in school yet and they're not able to function, or maybe people are not equipped to kind of handle their special needs and their special cases, and so it's perfect to implement it here at the Rehab Institute where they haven't had the opportunity before.
All for a good cause. The art classes, the children will paint, color, and work with other children dealing with similar struggles.